Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the 19C installations. Okay, so we just run only one script. Okay, so we done our OS installations. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. So let me log in as server. Okay, so these are all the required software. Okay, so actually we did already in 12C, right? So now I did the same way, but I added some parameters. I mean some added some packages. So in 19C, so you can also follow the same. So you should get and you should done the installations. Okay, you can follow my instructions what I given. Okay, so there is a two script. So this is for our installation script, this is for our GUI scripts. Okay, so the installation script, what it contains, just cat the file. So I will explain you, just see here. So this is our script is start from here. So whenever we run any activity in the database side, we should provide the log, right? So that's why I declare the log file from here. Okay, so this is the log location. So whatever the installation has happened from here, it will all the errors or successful or warning. So all the information from it will reflected from here. Okay, so after second things, there is we install the two packages, important packages. So okay, so because first packages RPM is FDB and second one is a create repo. Okay, so because these installations we are depending on only our offline repo. Okay, so that's why we need create repo packages to make the repository in local. Okay, so that's why this package is important. So we are going to first install the two packages. Okay, so once it's done, so it will going to create the groups and all. Okay, like Oracle ASM, so every groups, and it will reset the password as well. Okay, as Oracle users, and then it will going to update. This is one of the OS important parameters. So we have to add this line. So we are going to update size is 400 MB. Okay, and this is our OS kernel parameters. So these all the mandatory to we have to update from this like this way. Okay, so once it's done, so we have to fire the command spin sysctl -p means, so whatever we are updated in the kernel, so it should be reflected in immediate basics. Okay, so this is our limit.config file. So we are already whatever we given, so we have to 12c the same thing we have to given here as well. Okay, so we need a right, so limits is needed for the Oracle user, so we have to given from here. Okay, so after that it will going to create our repo, local repo. How it's creating, it will create one directory. Okay, so whatever the folders, this is a OS folder, so this is the default packages is given by the Linux server. Okay, I mean VMware. So this is our default locations. So what the in these steps is doing, so all the packages, see here, see the whatever the packages is from this location, it will going to transfer the this the public locations. Okay, so once it's done, it will going to transfer the our or actually I added these lines in 19C. So because right, so if I can add from the packages folder, it is easy, right? It is easy to create repo, and it will easy to read by installation. Okay, so that's why I added from this as well. So this is extra stuff from here. Okay, in 12c I didn't add this because this is the pre-installation steps. Okay, so we need to add these things, and then now it's going to sorry, now it's going to create the repo by using the whatever the packages here. It will going to repeat create the repository, and it will remove our public profile. So because we are depending on only for offline installations, so that's why we are remove from this profile. Okay, the public profile, and after that, this is our manual profile. So whatever we are mentioning the server repo, so like this is our server name, I mean name is equal to Oracle 19c. This is a base URL. So if we have to given this location, so where we are transferring all the packages, so we have to given these locations, and enable should be enable is one, end of the file. So one it is done, and it is going to disable the two users, so OLF latest and OLF users. I mean this is a region. Okay, so UK region. So what happened, so why it's happened, actually while I'm practicing before, so it's I'm forgetting to disable this one. So what happened, whenever I'm going to install any repo, it will going to read the online. So that's why we are going to disable that temporarily. Okay, so once it's disabled, so now we can refresh it like yum clean all and yum repo list. So once it's done, it will going to it going to install all the whatever we mentioned from here. So all the packages it's going to install. Okay, so after that it will install the 19c pre-installations packages as well. Okay, so once it's done, it will going to create the directories, and then it will going to stop and disable the firewall. And this is our patch profile, so it will going to update it will going to update our patch profiles. Okay, so we are here, we mentioned already SID name and home locations and base oracle base everything. So this is our etc file, so we have to mention this etc as our see here, this is our public IP, so we have to mention our IP, and this is our host name. Okay, so we have to mention the host name as well. So once it's done, we have to create one or make one folder. I like oracle.sh. So this is for the only for Oracle users. This is for Oracle users. So we are going to make a u limit is equal to, before it's a for 45,000. So we have to change it as 65. So based on this limit. Okay. So that's why it's important. So actually I'm getting this error. So that's why I added this script as well. Okay. So I explain in 12c as well. So once it's done, the script is going to run. Okay, so after that it will going to make the directory. Okay, so this directory, so what is next step is happen, it will unzip the q, hyphen q means quite. So it will unzip the folder from this destination, this location. Okay, so once it's done, so we are providing the oracle and group name and this folder, and then we change the execution permission of the run installer. Okay, so once it's done, what I am going to do, actually I am trying these things in same way, but what happens, we have to run the run installer as Oracle user, right? So I am getting the key issue. So the same thing we can do in Ansible. Okay, so right now what I am preparing, so I just do the two scripts. Okay, just simple. So once it's done, so now you are going to run these scripts. Okay, gui.sh. So it's simple. So I just mentioned our run the patch profile. So go to these locations and run the installer. Okay, so the problem is we have to manually change the our Oracle users. Okay, that's why I'm getting error. So actually when I'm trying by the manual, it will work. Okay, it will not asking any password. If we can adding inside the script, so it will ask the password, so we cannot enable without passwords. I'm getting some permission issue also. So that's why what I am planning for that. So the self scripting, we are done like this only. Okay, so after maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I can make one another installations, a single script, I mean with GUI included. If you want, you can command me that, so I can prepare for that. So I can do from the Ansible. Okay, so how to do that in single click. Okay, so this is the things we are going to do that. Okay, so now we are going to run the script. Okay, so now its script is running. So right now the see here, so if everything is going smooth. So now it's install the two packages, and second things, it will install the create repo as well. So after that is updating fs tab, and it will updating our kernel parameters. So now it will configuring our m repo. Okay, so once it's done, okay, once it's done, I will come to you. Okay guys, okay, so I will stop the video now, so I will come to you. Okay, once it's done, guys, actually what happened before, I will show you here. See, now it will be creating the repo, and now it will be reading our all the packages. So it will going to create one local repo. Okay, so I will show you the every steps one by one. So these are all our important packages. So that's why it will read it from the package folder. It will make on local repo. Okay, you can see here. So it will making the local repository. Okay, so once it's done, so it will going to disable this two user, this one and then this one. Okay, so once it's disabled, now it's going to extract the packages and it will installing the packages. So whatever we mentioned the m installations. Okay, so you can see it will mention the size as well. So now it will installing and verifying. Okay, so after that you can see this is our extra step, so installing 19c packages pre-install package as well. So once it's done, so its packages is everything is saying success. Okay, so once it's done, so what happened now, we mentioned the two script, right? So it will going to update our /etc. Okay, and in above you can see this is our patch profile. So once it will done and it will create the disable the firewall as well, and it will create our Oracle repository, I mean Oracle directory as well. Okay, so this all step is done. So now it's the bending is it will going to create one folder and it will execute the scripts. Okay, and then it will extract our Oracle software and transfer to our Oracle home location. Okay, once it's done, it will show here. Okay, give a minute. You can also try from your end, but before trying your from this script, so you have to change this. Okay, so based on your environment, you have to change the whatever your host name and whatever what are the packages inside the slash root. So these things you have to mention, and these things you have to change it. Okay, so if you are running the same script, you are surely you are getting error. So based on that, you have to change it. Okay, so I will posted this script as well in our Google Drive. Okay, so you can copy and you can paste it from there. Okay, you can practice it. If you have any doubt, so you can let me know. So we will discuss on that in comment sections. Okay, otherwise I will mention my email as well. So you can ping me. So we will discuss on that. Okay, I will help you to troubleshoot on that. It will take some time. Okay, it's done. See here, it will update these scripts, and after that actually it will time taking for the right. So our script, you can see here, it's all done. I believe is all done. See here, so once it's done, it will make one directory and it will transfer this our zip file to these locations, and we providing the permission as well. Okay, so now we are going to start our installations. Okay, I just here, I think my PC is getting slow. Guys, you can see here, just right click and you can duplicate session. You can log in as a Oracle user. Okay, once it's done, you can see you can go to that folder, home locations. So you just run bash gu.sh. That's it. Okay, so once it's done, so now it's running our GUI mode. Okay, you can see here. So now we are going to create the database and software together. Okay, so we can provide the database desktop classes. So our database name we are mentioning prod. We can provide the system password, untick the container database. You can say yes, click next. So see here 19c, we can mention our root password. It will execute our root script automatically. Okay, so now we run the pre-checks. So I believe we succeeded everything. Yes, so now we can click next. So whenever these steps, you have to read it from here. Okay, so that you can understand what is going on right now. Okay, guys, I think it will take some time. Okay, so I am going to stop the video. So I am not wish to make the video long. Okay, stop the video and I come to you. Okay, if any notifications came. Guys, you can see here, it will ask our confirmations. Okay, so because we already updated the root password, we can just yes. So it will run our root SQL as well. Okay, so now the database creation is going on. Okay, so once it's done, I will come to you. Okay, I am going to pause the video now. You can see here, so we are getting error. We are getting DB Oracle database configuration is getting failed. Okay, so we'll troubleshoot on that why it's getting failed. So you can see here, I just close here, okay, but our software is installation is done, okay. So now DB creation is only getting failed. So now we are going to troubleshoot on that. Installation was successful, but some configurations failed. Okay, no problem. We can give us, okay. So see here, guys, this is the problem we are getting error. So our Oracle Net Configuration Assistant is has been completed. Okay, the listener part has been completed, but while is doing Oracle configurations, we are getting error. So this is our problem. The port 500 is already used, so that's why there is no free port. So that's why that we are getting this problem. Okay, so no problem. What we are going to do, we can just do the we can set the environment. Okay, we are going to do make it in DBCA mode. Okay, this is our database name. So we have to mention our this is our home locations. Okay, this is our home locations. You can confirm if it is SQL connected, it is in correct home locations. Okay, so now it's home location we are connected. We can initiate the DBCA. Okay, so while DBCA we can install the databases. Okay, not a problem for that. Create the databases. We can provide the password. We can tick the container. This is our production database, so we can mention prod admin password. Okay, yes. So finish. Okay, it should be run. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video. So once it's done, I will pause on. Okay, okay, guys, you can see here the installation has been done. Just give close. Okay, now you are going to check ps-ef grep pmon. Our prod database is running. Just connect again. Prod. Now it will not asking our home location because it will going to return our etc Aura tab. Okay, so now I'm trying to connect the database. sysdba select name comma open underscore node from b database. Okay, okay, that's it, guys.